To access Literary Reference Center, click the Articles and Databases link. Then scroll down to find Literary Reference Center. Enter your MindChafee portal information to access the database. To find author biographies, critical analyses, and more, enter your search terms here. You may also use the advanced search to enter multiple search terms. Start with a broad search. For example, search for a specific author to find author information, stories and plays by that author, or critical analyses. There are many types of articles in this database, including biographies and work analysis. A biography will give you information about an author and their works in general. A work analysis will give you information about a specific play, poem, story, or novel. In the limiters on the left side, you will see an overview of the types of sources in your search results. Poems and full-text classics will show you the full text of a work, such as poems, plays, stories, or novels. Critical analysis can be found in the other source types, but pay especial attention to literary criticism and magazines, as they often have critical analyses. You can also narrow down your results by adding specific works or topics you are searching for. However, you should try to keep your searches as broad as possible and narrow down from there. You should also think about your search terms and consider if there are other terms you could be using. For example, try women in addition to feminism. To access the full text, click on the title of the results and look for the full text options on the left side. There is also a toolbar, which will allow you to print, save, and find the citation. Always double-check the citation for correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and formatting. For more help with using library databases, please contact a librarian.